I'm going to be making banana bread. And the recipe I'll be following, I'll pop down below. First thing we need to do is wash our hands. It's very important to make sure we have clean hands before we cook. Step 2, we're going to preheat the oven to 160 degrees. These are the ingredients we need. We need 125 grams of butter, 1 cup of raw sugar or brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 2 mashed bananas, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/3 cup of golden syrup. Delicious. And I've also got some walnuts here that I'm going to add in a bit later. So first I'm going to melt the butter. We need it soft and melted. Now that my butter is soft, I'm going to be using my mixer. You can use a mixer. I'm using the Thermomix, but if you're using the Thermomix, make sure you use the butterfly mixer as well. So pop that in. So we need to put in the butter, then the sugar, and that is 1 cup of sugar. Remember, you can use brown sugar if you need. I prefer raw sugar. Sugar and vanilla. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Pop that all in there. Good enough. So we need to mix that for 8 to 10 minutes or until it's creamy. And I'm doing that on number 3. I like to hack things up as I go. Up to you how you do it. I'm just going to scrape down the bowl. I've only been doing this for about 2 minutes. And then I'm going to put it on number 4. While that's going, I'm going to get the flour ready. I'm going to measure it up. We need 1 3/4 cups of flour. That's just plain flour. Now I've got my flour ready, and I can add that in when I need it. We've got about 4 minutes left on the mixing, but I'm going to add the eggs now, so we need 2 eggs. And don't forget to scrape down the side. And keep it going. So now I am adding the 2 mushed bananas. Make sure they're nice and mushy. Yeah, you can have more bananas if you want. The 1 3/4 cups of flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And you can sift this in. I'm just being lazy. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. I'm going to stir that on speed 3. I'm now going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Less. And maple syrup, you can use golden syrup, doesn't matter too much. Without making a mess. And that's a 1/3 cup of that one, which is quite a lot. That in as well. I'm now going to add 1 cup of walnuts, just making sure they're crumbed up. You want small pieces of walnuts, you're not getting huge chunks of them when you're eating.